Can you tell that this video is created just from an idea? Yes, just an idea. No actor, no camera, or VFX. Just me and GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. And today, I am going to share the easiest method of creating amazing cinematic film clips like this using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. Let's dive in. We all know that GPT Image 2 is very capable of creating amazing images, and Seedance 2.0 is now the #1 AI video generator at this moment. However, to achieve great results using AI, you need a great sense of prompt engineering. And what if you are not great at prompting? Don't worry. The Smart Shot by OpenArt is here. It can replace a whole team of production crew. Just come up with your idea, and Smart Shot will handle everything for you. It creates a fully organized pre-production asset like this using GPT Image 2 and then turns it into a video clip all from a single video idea. Let's see how it works. Alright, at this moment, I am inside OpenArt AI. You will find the link in the description. Once you are in, you will find all the tools and features. As we are talking about Smart Shot, I am selecting the tool. And here it is. This is the OpenArt Smart Shot interface. Now here in this box, we have to enter our prompt or video idea, as every great film comes from a great concept. However, if you are totally blank, then you can use ChatGPT or any other tool to create the idea or story. Let's say I want to make a cinematic commercial video for this sneakers. And here you can see that ChatGPT gives us a video script scene by scene. This is enough to move forward. I am copying the first act script and then pasting it into the Smart Shot prompt box. Once the prompt is ready, you can add character, objects, and environment references. It's optional. If you don't need consistent results in every scene, you can skip it. However, I will upload a character image and the sneaker image as the character and object references. Once done, go to the settings. First, select the sheet quality. Here, you will find 3 options. I will select high for a better result. Next, in the output settings, set the aspect ratio, resolution, and duration. I will go with 16:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is 720p for testing purposes. You can create full HD videos in 1080 resolution also. In the end, set the duration. According to my script, I will set 15 seconds. Okay, we are ready. Now, we have 2 options: preview sheet and create video. If you want to see the pre-production sheet and then create the final video, then go ahead and create videos. However, I will suggest going with the preview sheet option, because it will give you a clear heads up of how the video will look before generating to avoid burning more credits for regeneration. Okay, our pre-production sheet is generating, and here it is. The pre-production scene is ready, and you can see the result. It creates a perfect visual plan for the video. At the top you will find all the information about this project or video. After that, we have the character. This is the exact character I just uploaded, but now it has front view, back view, side profile, close-up, props, everything like a proper character sheet. Next we have the product reference. You can see the multiple views of the product. This is too perfect. After that, you will find all the information about the product and the color palette used in this video. Next we have the set design. You will find a clear idea about the location and set design. After that, the video floor plan. This is really something amazing. You can clearly see the shooting plan, where the subject is, where the camera will take place, when the shot will end. This is like a Hollywood-level pre-production design. There is a visualization of the side elevation also. Next comes the storyboard. There are 4 shots according to the idea, and the detailing is insane. The first frame is a close-up. It's using an 85mm prime lens. Total duration is 4 seconds. You can see the scene description and audio reference also. In the second cut, it's using a 100mm macro lens to shoot an extreme close-up of the product. In the third scene, it's using a 50mm anamorphic lens to create a medium shot that's really perfect. In the fourth scene, it's using a 35mm anamorphic lens to create a medium tracking shot. You can notice that it's using different lenses as per the scene requirements. That's not random. That's a deliberate visual language. Okay, finally, lighting, mood, and style. And this section is where it really starts to feel like a professional production document. 4 lighting conditions were defined for this scene, and they are perfect. In the end, you will find the mood and lens. A real colorist and director of photography would define all of this in a pre-production document. Smart Shot generated it, including the lighting contrast between the two characters, the environmental lighting conditions, and the full visual style, automatically. Now, if you think there is any issue with the shot, you can regenerate the shot or edit the image to customize it. I think this is a perfect shot. So, I will hit the Create Video button from here. Now, while the video is generating, let's create the second scene pre-production preview sheet. The method is the same. Copy the script and paste it here. We don't change anything for this scene. Just hit the preview sheet button from here. Okay, the first video clip is ready. Watch the shot sequence.
You have 60 seconds. They're already hunting you. Then I run.
The video starts with a close-up of the character and then shifts to an extreme close-up of the sneaker. In the next shot, we can see a medium shot. The ending is a tracking shot. As per the plan, Seedance 2.0 has done a great job. This is not a random AI clip. This is a directed sequence. Now, honestly speaking, if we want to create a shot like this with the traditional method with a real director, we would need a vast professional crew team and thousands of dollars to shoot the 4 shots. With OpenArt One Shot, it will cost around $2. That's the difference. Alright, now let's create the second act video. The pre-production sheet is ready. You can see the character design, product, environment, floor plan, storyboard, and other elements like the first act. And everything is perfect. So, I will hit the Generate Video button. Now, while the second video clip is generating, I will create the sheet for the third scene, or act. I am entering the scene description and then customizing it as per need. Once done, set the settings and hit the preview sheet button. Okay, our second video clip is ready.
You won't outrun them!
Watch me.
And it's really perfect. Now, I will create the third act video. The video is generating. Now, I will generate the final product reveal shot. This scene should be around 5 seconds. Now, hit the Create Preview Sheet button. Okay, our third video clip is ready.
Lightweight, breathable.
This is just awesome. Now, generate the final scene. Alright, all the video clips are ready. Now, download all of them and stitch with a video editor to get the final result like this.
You have 60 seconds. They're already hunting you. Then I run.
You won't outrun them!
Watch me.
It's over!
Lightweight, breathable, unstoppable.
So I just created this video without any skill, and we don't even need to spend a fortune. Try OpenArt Smart Shot is a revolutionary tool by OpenArt. If you also want to create a video like this, try OpenArt One Shot. I will put the link in the description. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next one.